And if you want to input the name of the customer po, ilan yung sugar level, ano yung mga add-ons, you will see under notes on this side yung list of orders ng customer natin. Mas malaki yung view ng receipt natin. Hi everyone, this is Rose from BitPOS once again. And in this video, ipapakita ko another setup for our BitPOS mobile order taking kit for a milk tea type of business. So, we have this new device po. Etong nakikita nyo ngayon. I have this all-in-one, kung tawagin natin, all-in-one device where I have here in front po yung ating VFD total amount display every time na meron tayong product na pinapunch. And nandito na din yung ating 80mm thermal printer. What's really nice on this setup po is ilalagay na lang natin siya sa drawer and it's already very compact and slick. Aside from that one, I also have here yung aking sticker label printer that will be printing later on yung ating mga cup labeling po and idedicate natin yon sa mga cups. So I do have two sizes on this setup po. Ipapakita ko din yung mga sizes natin later. So yung first step natin is we're going to punch our item po or isa-select natin yung mga orders ng customer. I have here my Slick View. Pwede po akong mag-select ng sample ko neto is I have my Ice Hazelnut Macchiato. And if you want to input the name of the customer po, pwede din nating ilagay para mag-print po siya doon sa label. So I have here, my sample name will be Diana Rosa. And then, tap lang po natin yung label to add my labels here po, which ilan yung sugar level, ano yung mga add-ons. So I have three types of add-on here. I have cinnamon, I have lemon, I have pearl. Select lang natin yan and then tap OK. Once you're good to go for this order, /back lang po tayo yung pindutin natin. You will see under notes on this side yung list of orders ng customer natin and list of add-ons. Next, tender lang tayo. Input the pet of the customer, tap OK. Automatically, this will give us the preview of the label na piprint natin. Print lang natin iyan. It will print. Nag-print din yung ating receipt. So as you can see po, mas malaki yung view ng receipt natin. I have my logo, the details of my store, my SO number, the name of the cashier, the total amount na binayaran, and here is my sample label po. And pwede na natin tong punitin. You can punit it. And then, this is already adhesive naman po. Dinidikit na lang natin siya directly doon sa cup. So I have my sample cup here. Ayan po yung sample cup natin. We can just directly put it here. And as you can see, it's quite big doon sa ating previous video. Ito po yung size ng receipt po from our previous video. But it still capture all the necessary details. And ito naman po yung size ng receipt natin or ng sticker label natin right now. And you can see it's bigger. And the same thing with this one, it's bigger po. So if you want this kind of setup po, please message us in our Facebook page to automate na parang sleek design and sophistication of process ng ating MOT application. So, visit us and message us today.